Hello chuirde fáilte roisteach si se an darna chun ceolar líne ag ina cultúr an dochtúir lín si go máile bhórna. Tá mí dána bhreachtíh as túnáilisteach a nacht as na héine túnáilisteach an tapan se caiise chomá. We're really grateful to you all for tuning in tonight, and for everyone that tuned in last week. It was wonderful to see people tuning in to Moose Cree artists from all over the world. And we had a few requests during the week from people wondering where they could donate to, if they could donate to the UNID or a sort of a ticket price or a tip jar or whatever. Unfortunately, we can't facilitate that at the moment, but we would encourage you to go directly to the musicians and maybe buy recordings for them, buy vouchers for lessons or whatever, directly from musicians if you can, themselves, or from independent music shops if it's CDs you're looking to buy. But thank you for those requests. The arts and artists need generous patrons at the moment, so táid an bhuaich as na requestion ar fad. Táid anna bhuaich dus na muoinethirí atá goin Alína Belta an cóir Alíon, cóirla chunta Corcaí agus gandát an bord deachas agus a lúna a gorcaig chomá, thugad anna haíochtún go leanúnach. Táid tharbh brechtas na helíonn túirí ar fad atá páirte an nocht agus na curmach ceolar fad, as an tauma a thuirtúin. Is stocha ní haon joke videos a chuir de chéile. We know the effort that goes into videos, and we're so grateful to the artists, all the artists involved in this series for giving their time to this, and for also, I suppose, letting the Ina Cultúr leave the videos online for a time so that people can enjoy them. You're a wonderful bunch of artists, and we're absolutely delighted to be associated with you in this short series. So Gurmina Mahaga Bastion. So Kerma Gachina and Ahanadif, I'll introduce everyone and then let the music speak for itself. So enough there Glár tonight on the programme, Closhishiv o Auliv Maxina, Screenor Aran Untach agus Arani Og o Chiantafu Scree, agus Farah Huganana Chunov doing Sonanad a Dave Tekta, agus Lesh na Clarcha Shachoma. Closhmeet o Varni Chéalacher, Barmarina Haraniachta Gandait, agus Bangavillanacha Brintmachke Lesh Lenakrit Araniachta. Closhmeet Choma o Screenor Aran Ahanta Ger Wolf, agus Ha Aran da Chutainig Get doing. Agus an Sunbeg piece of special to o Hivani Ranin, ban atá goberlin le gavlian nos an rincor conachtágrin, as be sé danta cléirní verhile, so beg mascon de iliocht agus de rincor crochachtgrin, agus an sunbug midráig agus roimid chofada le Kilna Marcha, agus an banna ceol Greenshine gan data anahor ar Greenshine, mar vanna ceol Mary Green, Noel Shine agus Ellie Green agus Aranti glóte grin cosan doin. Agus cur míid clausúr leis an glár le Bert Kiltor Anahanta, Bert Roger, Cheart Choma, Richard Lucier and Muska Kill, o Ian Shagila, agus Jim Murray, o Ermitar, o Vachroma, agus Blashed Kill Brever, Casan Doing. Agus cur na hénig tús leis an geol down to Murgafour Deirdre, ach ní Focal Ragums, ach bunny Tanavas and geol. Please enjoy the music, please share with your friends, donate to the artists if you can. Yeah, agus Kimi to Arishiv. We'll see you again next week. So winning Tanavas and geol. It ó Chnúsach James Goodman. And Chiad Canshan Yeomans, the first one's called the Yeomans Reel, and the second one is called I'm E'er Too Young to Marry Yet.
Behind your winter coat, you're soaking in the hallway and it's just weighing you down. Read your lines before you stutter. The opening's tomorrow night, the city will be there. Take a breath and wander, wander. Dream about your pillow silhouetted by a name. You should be the author, but autumn isn't summer and you aren't very talented. You gave your best and you found yourself in the drama. You gave your best and you found yourself in the drama. Write a rhyme, but still you're sleeping. These sofas made you older than you've ever been before. Thank a friend for all they've done, and all you'll never do for them is written on your brow. Mother, you begged for trust. You want to be an affluent by 20 or 19. Now you stand and wither underneath a black light nailed to your crossing ground. You gave your best and you found yourself in the drama. You gave your best and you found yourself in the drama. You gave your best and you found yourself in the drama. Oh, the drama. She got a letter and a postcard with a picture of an old car, a reminder of an old self, one she'd rather forget. The letter was a poem addressed to her new home, from someone she used to know. She read it and she smiled and she sang, Niamh Cineoir, Níl mo go glórmhór galore, I gorsúla or my store, Niamh Cineoir. She left her city of anguish, and she learned a dying language. Now the thoughts that are in her head don't belong to anyone else. Now her only God's a garden, it's oak bridges and tartan. She smiles and she smokes, and she rarely ever spoke, but she sang, Niamh Cineoir, Níl mo go glórmhór galore, I gorsúla or my store, Niamh Cineoir. Niamh Cineoir, Níl mo go glórmhór galore, I gorsúla or my store, Niamh Cineoir.
Déhúr me hasa go léir tá anáthas ar mo bheithan seo san an cultúrtha go fíorúil mar défá in aimse COVID. Tás nóig méle ógánig an chúil chréimhigh agus darís á chanar dúis ag Eilís ní Húlháin. Agus leannig mé ormanis leis. Ógánig chúil chréimhigh Cadén te bheire go mbíonn tú bhuileann tú gan chéile nó na taineoir rallíonn tú. Ó táimse gan chéile agus a muinear sealíimse cé sin gá iarthaí nó naine bean tírí. Ná nach naíonn tú mé féinnig a chéad searc mo chríse. Scór mé cailín chúil chréimhigh a bhíoh taobh leat san oíche. Ní anim tuhann mar sin de vil creme da grene gusguihe son queen lat son ihud da vishe gwynoig skor hines mal of goed skor asquish arm barog da hines she's latagus chrinaref en ruchod agus danamur golodar gur chwalmur ishog son queen lat son ihud da visa gustusa ferulur na cremo agus an ihe cor Krishna Mahalavan himpul agus winting she agutsa is lag a hele son ihud gasquil har goman Berma valacht chan ma var agus go brach chan mahar nor logdom to a fosa nor vis sam vaheg nor is oile ma winter go mi mer ma labrig de homa shavimshe o ihe gomaden Bien ma winter plelium brore gusagert der veng rollat avoire gustu marov boskor shintu agus bointu verhing Magrinan legire tu hisin san talov Gur míle mahaguf agus leannig mé aigenis le ceanile le cean garid agus a bhíidir bheo crón agus daríos dúis an tafranse áchanna ag Miceolósa ó Chulé agus hang sé go mórlam agus córá se hé se haríis idir fear agus ben agus é gérig í a bheile agus sa deire géann si dó agus ceapann si gur fearrdi amach leis seachas a bheith ag sclábhaíochta socha. Avrid vil chron tenam me golis nabich bron na boortart. Ei jarven hef na mallen das kwel na tjukfalum fenas en oignes. Godeines godar føden mishmar go hisidin taverner foin mat. Mar megolagus rugger no ihe go madin sa stocha go van hum galónaun. Da ealistum sé de barach lem heil agus tá a gut féin cadúrtrat. Gomioch mo charid gulérin arilum féin da nenting sin scéil san súslat. Ní fósing tú galam na inge dit havel da meng fa de varting gan snúcher. Gan leisner fada gan babio go bainge gus ferm vra haliv mar holgus. A hasken mar leef tar fastelum féin agus toren me seil brasúrgtut. Lebuig chloven go saskur fet hef agus kultuna dere an úsort. Currid broigin chael chanting art fanir de glocke vis sieder de vanne te glúsjocht. Pilin art grante currid footer de chapel is riding dress latter de golif. De jenhing sin kechte die round agus bemers choring engles fórmat. De winning sin fair go gaste le foir le funjov my yeo gom golif. De roaring, de raffing, de hesking en kapte le morge de skapelem hlosid. Is master mer erf gon soestien de gasses nie farna gon omre woont me. Is ben met haar strei voor sjasker seil agus tangen de vrere soerkljom. Beamsen ein leg gobberljom féin agus alles nog led lem gronev. Ma huggen to feste gach niegem marialish is doch gur fargem glúsjocht le hoiger kjoin kneste gan muster gan bladder a horig ordem le skapinne chrogev. Gur mile mahagöv.
Constantia Verfad is mis sé Jorwolf agus áthas orm a bheith an solah, Harlína agus cúpla órán a casamh agus an cé ceann bhhealm a casa ná The Velvet Earth, ceann de Cumas Féinnig and Brunigi Sultas. I'm going to sing a song that I wrote myself called The Velvet Earth, and I wrote it for two men, one from Kerry and one from Cork, and they would have grown up unknown to one another around the same time on different sides of the border, and so they would have both grown up working hard and working with horses and farm work, and this is for them. And I like to you think of the Nadine Maharuing, the generations gone before us, especially that generation who the last lot of people really to work without all this technology. So shall live the Velvet Earth. His feet were used to the touch of the velvet heart. The meadows blossomed when he walked his way. The valleys rang with the music of his mind. He stooped to cut his birthmark in the clay. All his life, calling life. All his life, guiding light. was used to the kiss of the summer rain. Blue lilacs filled his hat of fragrant days. The breeze crept through the headland of his hat and rested breathing springtime on her wings. All his life calling life, all his life guiding light. His eyes were used to the stars on the hill and high, and golden hayfields trembled in his tap. Blue lilacs filled his head of fragrant days, and heather held to bark he etched his name. All his life guiding life, all his life holding life, all his life guiding light, all his life guiding light, all his life guiding light, all his life holding light. Míle buchas. Shahoranish, the Commons Fénig, Darbanum, a single thread, and it's a song I wrote myself this time called A Single Thread, and all about waiting for a small baby to be born. So here it is. You weave a single thread, a spinning web on a golden loom, your mother's womb. Oh, singing child, the dancing world is waiting for your metaphor, your syllable, your word and rhyme. Come on, come on, and tell us all you have, and tell them all you need to know. Day before day you hear the swallows go, the angels sing, never sail the city ball, the night go down, the spilling sky, while all the flowers will glisten cry. Come on, come on, and tell us all you have, and tell them all you need to know. And in your secret room, in waiting you are counting on the turning sea, the cloud-run hills, the rain and the moon, and hearts and hands, and truth and faith. Go on, and tell them all you have, and tell us all you want, know. Take all your heart-born talk and lay it on the world in silence, beating on a drum, a pulse of life will hammer through the din and tackle silently your silver nail. Go on, and tell us all you have, and tell them all you need to know. You weave a single thread, a spinning web, and a golden loom, called your mother's womb. Oh, kicking child, the singing world is waiting for your metaphor, your syllable, your word and wild. Come on, and tell us all you have, and show us all you know, you have. Míle maith agaibh.
Díomh a cháirde, is mis Siobháine chunín, is tócha go bhfuil aithne gom ar chuid agaibh, agus is mis an rincóir cónthach san an cultúrtha. Táim an so a nacht le má bháthir, Claire Ní Bhuirle, agus tá sí chun dáin leis an ó bhír dáin, an dáin tos a léamh. Agus táim se chun rince garid a dhéanamh ina hananta. Fiúch mé an dáin seo mar chuirn sé an úl doing go míon decrochtaí ag an ealaíon tóir uaireanta ní hagan éon spreige chuige nó chuí agus tá sé sin decar. Ach tá an dá an dóchas a comá agus léiríonn sé go dagan rudaí chuig an ealaíon tóir de réir a chéile agus taithníonn sé dom. So
Tost. Is fada me sin mo, is fada mé am host. Is nach fis nach álaigh bheith go deir scríbe. Ní cuiinam go bailach, dá bhéad a bhacan í méir. Car legas uim an ochir ihe chuithe. Tá meginine fe glas, ní le gom cad isteach, le go rior dá nóing an choras bar na scríte. Gach bar tuide et, dar chréil an bhuristeach, ó bhí sa féin go deirnach a míntin. Má buine dolisteach, tá an ochir in áid bha. Bé gur folla bheith a harman beag íosta. Cuireasta cheann ar fad, an arga is a slab, is bí sásta leis an eginine na scríte.
Táid ansá a ríist agus táid chun dáin agus rince ina dhéanamh. An uair seo fioc mo bháthir an dáin ar bhaileit cúpla focail rá faoi.
Gur magad a chibháin. Ronnie san dáin seo an choréisc le líam a bhuirle. Is bearm an dáin seo mar bí me grábhíocht ar ann na lí le nébhóga chorcaí agus is minic a chéim choréisc agus gachéanúir ecem ceann chuiníam ar an náin seo le líam. An choréisc. Sí an choréisc ina speic a hiamhá féin éin ina hamláine san isce. Braunan sí a fáinne gan feic, ó blian an plána ar eis in eisce. Get ob an thoran pragan scrobble gan gobble san ardil. Thoman inti féin a ríis chónig, líanaan dá dainach ag stána. Fanan ina henchra cóláin, dá garóch cheasóch lasmo dá sgáil. Onan iad, fechan trí féin, is léir dá súile éin gach choríl go grinner. Tuideisteach, tuidemach, gioban gobalach le strís a chuid ríise orsa.
Hello everybody, we're going to do a Hank Williams song called I'm So Lonesome I Could Cry. Hear the lonesome whippoorwill, he sounds too blue to fly. The midnight train is winding low. I'm so lonesome I could cry. I've never seen a night so long when time goes crawling by. The moon just went behind the clouds to hide its face and cry. Did you ever see a robin weep when leaves
I'm so lonesome I could cry. And the silence of a falling star lights up a purple sky. And as I wonder where you are, I'm so lonesome I could cry. As I wonder where you are, I'm so lonesome I could cry.
Bend like a willow.
If the day ever dawned that I woke up and found you were gone, I'd wander this house like a child, calling your name. I'd search the whole world just to ask if you knew what you'd done. I'd beg you to come back again, my darling loved one. So whenever you think I don't love you, it just isn't so. Sit down and I'll tell you one thing you should know. If I hadn't your arms to surround me and keep me from harm, I'd bend like a willow and drift like a bird on the storm. So whenever you think I don't love you, it just isn't so. Sit down and I'll tell you one thing you should know. If I hadn't your arms to surround me and keep me from harm, bend like a willow, adrift like a bird on the star. For only your kiss can console me, my darling loved one.
Seo Aisling Gell. Aisling Gell, does that dream nail me? Scoros a trelog, they shall we. Scoros sing loud, Choshaun in Maynard, Iscoros egeriocht, le grom chri. Chorev na calmi gaul ag ysgeloch, agus cli teger e gúslan teil, ag bref ar agus a rol e célo. Chum a chlán an éaf an ish le fáil gan bhuiil. Spógearú sealcham, do jarchus maire, agus grúig go cín le fear fós. A dríalta tíocht, mar de réling ag titam leisio, go bar trí. Ag scúb an drochta de bhar an gléis, is a slúvar étrim mar a hiúlach sí, a gácí cring a hocht gan éalta. A grua mar na cuaire spógealí píp. Sto bhainní sad am chuiding éling, is mouse is bésoch do ragur sí. A flúir na bhair, má lad na dinstu, mar is maidin mé, nor tháinig ghuish. Á diuch sa groundúing clowny enough, is go me fashion tuckin sun guniuv, gur garon mas me gevoging erin, im gosh de mener veng rotse schlie. Margaret?
Thank you.